up, guys? It's Shaydan Ranch from Empire Garage.
What's going on?
So today is a very, very exciting day. If you watched our intro, and if you haven't, you should go and watch it right now. I talked about something that I really wanted that have a special meaning to me, an off-road car, and today we are going to look at that car. It's not that exact one, but it's the same model. It's the same color that I remember from my childhood. It's very, very exciting.
Yeah, so we're going down towards San Diego. Like you said, if you watch the intro, it's a Toyota. It's a truck, and it's old.
Really old.
Yeah, it's really old, and we're like, I don't know if it's because of COVID or because we're getting older. Like the whole off-roading things and like overlanding is becoming like really interesting. And I don't know if this is gonna go up before or after, but the 4Runner is getting a bunch of stuff done to it. That was supposed to be just like a daily, and now that's gonna become like an off-road thing. Hopefully, it all comes out okay in terms of rust, because that is what's really scary here with these cars.
Yep.
We're about 25 minutes out. Beautiful day.
I'm very excited, guys. This is as exciting as when we looked at the NSX the first time. Just got done talking with the guy. We drove the car. It is super clean.
Just tell them what it is.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you. I can't wait. It's an FJ62.
Land Cruiser, 1988, in like a beautiful white, all mainly original, like 99% original, rust-free, besides a little bit of surface rust here and there. The guy goes back and forth from Baja to San Diego, like the coolest guy. And the car was just, the truck was just so cool. It was so cool. I'll show you some pictures now of Shayda talking to the owner.
Yeah, it was very clean for what it is and for the price. Because I've been looking for an FJ62, not a 60. The 60 has the round tail light. The 62 has those rectangular tail light. They call it square tail light.
And they only had them for what, 3 or 2 years?
It's 3 years technically, because 88, 89, and then 90. Then 91 is the 80 series. That's a newer model.
Like modern looking.
More modern looking.
Yeah.
So this one is white. It has rebuilt engine, rebuilt transmission. All the hardware around the engine mostly has been replaced. No leaks, and only surface rust, minimal surface rust. And we know trucks, Toyota trucks especially, and these cars, once they rust, that's it.
It's like cancer.
It's gone. Yeah.
Yeah.
Stage 4 cancer, not even stage 1, man. Like no chemo, nothing's gonna help you. It's done.
So there were some rusty body panel spots like here and there that we can address, but nothing has really like gotten crazy. It was repainted, but it's like he showed us exactly where some of the rust was. But underneath, like there's some surface rust on like the axles and those like parts, but like the frame rails were like black, like nice black. He didn't paint it. It was just no rust. And it's like a workhorse of a truck. Like it just turned on right away. Everything worked. Lights and all the buttons of 4 low, 4 high. The manual lockers on the front work, which is really cool. Yeah, I loved it. You can tell Shayda loved it too. So tomorrow is gonna get finalized in terms of the sale. The guy is just gonna do a small tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning. Then he's gonna bring it up to Orange, to Shayda's place, and hand over the keys.
Yeah, and then I'm most likely gonna drive him to his cousin's place because he wants to go to LA, and then the truck is mine.
And then, if it all goes well, we're gonna take her out for her, break. What do you call it? Like a break-in ceremony.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to Big Sunday or maybe Saturday. Like,
we're
on the
gonna pop
weekend.
its cherries, guys. That's what he's gonna do.
Yeah, so I'm excited. This is
Very,
gonna be
very
cool.
excited. Guys, I had my mask on. I was so excited. I was smiling under the mask the whole time. I was like, this is good. The guy cannot see my smile because I had to haggle the price with him down, you know? You gotta do what you gotta do to save some money. Yeah, so tonight what I'm gonna do when we get home, I'm gonna look for suspension.
Oh yeah, it did need that.
Suspension, I'm gonna look for Steelies because I love those Steelies.
D-window Steelies
Yeah.
with some big tires.
And a new steering rack because I think that needs to be replaced.
So you want to tell them, like, it kind of felt like a bus in the beginning of the steering. Like, you kind of had to turn a lot for it to move. I don't know if that's normal, but it didn't feel safe. And then the leaf springs were like shotted, like that. Those were rusted, but
And he told us about the leaf spring, like he wasn't hiding it.
yeah. So that's gonna be. I mean, that's a great opportunity for us to throw on a lift.
Yeah.
Lift. So leaf springs and shocks, and then, like Shada said, some wheels, tires, and the steering. That's gotta go in the shopping cart tonight. And then once Shada gets the keys, click buy after it's finalized.
And before I let you go, guys, it has the original Toyota keys. Like I remember from my childhood because my dad used to have one of these 1988 ones, and I still remember, like from my memory, like when I used to go out and there was a 1988 FJ Cruiser, FJ62 sitting outside, white, same as this one, and I still remember the key. Even when I was a child, I used to be into cars. Like I remember all these details. I don't remember anything else, but I remember the FJ62. Yeah, so I'm very excited.
It's gonna be fun.
Very, very fun. All right, guys. So we'll let you go. And until next time, and don't forget, like. What else they gotta do?
Subscribe. Watch all her videos.
Yeah, come on, guys. You gotta
Share.
watch it. And check out the Instagram because we're gonna be posting a lot of pictures. What's up, Kaka?
Hey.